We realized that in planning to build an in-house licensing system, we weren't going to properly protect our models, and we need a more powerful solution to scale our business as we prepare to go to public. Sentinel was the only licensing platform that could protect our applications with Python and C++ code. It gives us much greater flexibility in development and in the ability to adopt new pricing models. We can deploy our software with on-prem and cloud licensing, and we continue to have control over our license even after distribution. We now offer our customers different subscriptions, so we are earning recurring revenue. We even offer a free 30 days trial. Both our distribution partners and our end users are very happy with the new Sentinel service portals where they can personally activate. Free trial, new orders, downloads, activations, and view deployment status. The other surprise was the product usage data that we can see now. By feature usage frequency, we can better determine customers' preference and make more informed roadmap decisions. We were able to quickly move through the implementations, partly because, unlike other foreign companies, Thales has a Korean office and provides support in the local language. If you want to be able to configure new business models and license features without relying on your engineering team, look into Thales Sentinel.